what's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all doing well. Hope you all having an awesome day, and hope you all had a nice weekend. So a quick update and quick heads up here for net gas, coal and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So as you know, the price did open in gap out of my major zone, and this was the zone I've mentioned in my last video. I was expecting a good push down out of this zone, but the market opened in gap. Now at this point, the market did stopped at 50 EMA. If you follow me from the last couple of months, years, then you know that I use 50 EMA as a good level of support when the market is pushing up in a trend or pushing down in a trend for my bearish trade. So at this point, market did stopped at 50 EMA. So at this point, you guessed it right. If you follow me, I'll be looking for reason to enter, which is my bullish engulfer. Once I have a bullish engulfer, we are good to go long. So only enter with a condition. Now imagine if you bought here without a condition, that would be a lots of loss. So that is why I always wait for the condition. I did not get a chance to enter, but I knew that this is the zone from where we will get a likely. Here on currency.com, the price is above 50 EMA. Here on currency.com, I'll be looking for my bullish engulfers, or if the price push down, hit this level of major previous level of resistance that has been recently broken, I will still look for my bullish trade. So this zone, the previous zone that has been broken is 2.444, goes up to 2.595. So now we have a very likely chance to get a reason to enter for a buy trade here or here. That is what I'm looking at for currency.com. Here on Oanda, it's a different situation. Price did closed below 50 EMA, but that is totally fine. If the price fall to this level of the recent resistance that has now turned support, which is 2.329, goes up to 2.502, then I'll still look for my buy trades only. So keep looking for buying opportunities. We do not have any sort of condition yet. You can still get this candle close above this previous candle. If that happens, that will be also a buy signal. So I'll be looking for buying opportunities. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated with the moves. Let's check gold. Awesome. So we did have a nice double top mentioned in my last video that I'll be looking for my sell trade out of this zone. And if you see, we had a nice bearish engulfer. Now, if you are my MMTA course member, you know how the targets will look like. The targets is $7 if you calculate the targets using the wick. Now, at this point, we had a push down and price is still trading above 50 EMA. We also have this bullish engulfer above 50 EMA. So looking at that on 1 hour time frame, we can still now expect some pullback to the upside. That can be $3. Now, that is what I'm looking at on 1 hour time frame. A little pullback on 1 hour time frame, but on a long term, let's go back on 4 hour time frame. Here on 4 hour time frame, I just want to give you a condition so that you guys prepare yourself for all the condition that can happen. On 1 hour time frame, we can expect a pullback towards the bullish side, which is just $3 according to the ATR. Now here on 4 hour time frame, I'll prepare myself by marking my rejection area, something like this. So I'll be looking for my double tops here on 4 hour time frame. Now if we have a rejection here again, then we have a very likely chance that price will fall again. And as you can see, we have an overbought situation here in the RSI, and the price is also, we are also getting a divergence in the RSI. So if the price push up with a red candle or a bearish engulfer, then we have a very likely chance that gold will fall from here. So that is what I'm looking at. If you have this condition, keep your stop loss above this rejection area and take profit wherever you want to take. Right here on crude oil is moving up perfectly fine as expected. As you can see, price is making new higher highs, and now we had a pullback as mentioned in my last video. With that, we are getting a bullish engulfer. If that candle closed as a bullish engulfer, then we have a likely chance that price will push up around $1, less than $1. As you can see, the ATR is 0.91, so less than $1, but I'm expecting a price to push up here. And if it continues to push up, if you are managing your trade, then this is the zone 81.30 from where you want to exit your trade, and we will start looking for sell condition with bearish engulfers or of a double top entry pattern. So keep an eye here. If close as the bullish engulfer, we have a buy signal. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.